Welcome to J Get It, where integrity meets innovation, and corporate responsibility is the heartbeat of our ethos. Today, we embark on a riveting journey through the intricate world of the Sarbanes-Oxley Act, SOX, delving into its impact on corporate governance, financial reporting, and the prevention of accounting fraud. The Sarbanes-Oxley Act's provisions are a testament to the unwavering commitment towards transparency and accountability in the corporate realm. At J Get It, we resonate with the essence of these provisions, recognizing the pivotal role they play in fostering a culture of trust and reliability within the business community. SOX has revolutionized the landscape of corporate governance, emphasizing the critical role of boards and executives in upholding ethical standards and financial integrity. As we dissect the impact of SOX on corporate governance, we align our mission at J Get It with the values of accountability and transparency that lie at the core of this transformative legislation. The Sarbanes-Oxley Act has set a benchmark for impeccable financial reporting standards, instilling a culture of accuracy and reliability. Understanding the rigorous compliance and enforcement mechanisms of the Sarbanes-Oxley Act highlights the critical importance of adhering to ethical business practices. Education serves as the cornerstone of ethical business conduct and financial integrity. We, at J Get It, recognize the significance of empowering businesses and individuals to embrace the values of integrity and transparency, fostering a culture of accountability and trust within the corporate sphere and the broader community. As we conclude this enlightening journey through the Sarbanes-Oxley Act, we invite you to join the conversation and share your insights on the significance of corporate integrity and transparency. Let's work hand in hand to build a business environment where ethics and transparency are not just values but integral components of sustainable and responsible business practices. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be part of the J Get It community.